Hello everyone, welcome to pipewrench.com. In this video, let's go through how to use the save and load features for the subscribe to tools. In order to use this feature, you will have to sign up with us with your account and also subscribe the tools you want to use through the subscription features. We already have a separate videos in our YouTube channel to teach you step by step how to sign up, how to do login, how to do account setting, and how to do subscription. So in this video, we will only focus on the save load feature. So if you have questions for those two items, you can check our YouTube channel. So here, I have an account already set up, already logged in, and I already subscribed to one of the tools I want to use as an example, which is the Pipeline Railroad Crossing Design API 11.2. So once you subscribed, and you should show a lock open symbol at the end rather than locked ones. So this means you have the fully access for this tool. So just click on that. And so this is the basically all the information you have to go through for the CAD calculations. And let's just say you use this for one of your project. Let's put some random features numbers here. Let's say use X60 and we use depth 10. So let's say you finish your design and you check the results, make sure everything is passed, and you want to save this calculation file. So there's essentially two ways you can do this on our site. So you can either save it on the cloud database, or you can choose to save a file locally in your desktop. So you can do either or you can generate a PDF report directly from the calculation. So let's first try to save it on the cloud. So just the first one, the save button, once you click it, you can choose a file name. Let's say this is API 11.2 railway crossing test, for example. Then you hit save. Then this page will automatically refresh, and this is already your saved files. You can see you will show the file name was updated by yourself at what time, basically. So this already means this file already saved to the cloud database. To access to this tool later on, you could also go to your profile page, go to this tab, and you can see this file is already showing in the database. You could access from here at any time. Let's say you want to come back another time to visit this file we have saved. Just coming here or click the files, come into the same page and find this file and click open. Then we'll bring you to this to the files you have saved. And if you want to do any updates, for example, you want to change it, like say, let's say change the size to 18 inch, change the grade to 52, for example. If this is your revised design conditions, you scroll to the bottom, you will see instead of have only save, open, download PDF report, you have extra button and in the front. So this is just to update the same file and the same file name. If you want to make any change, just come here and say yes to update. And this page will refresh it again, and you will see that everything, the design you have made, the design changes you have made have already incorporated in this file, and it will update it to the different time. And also, if you right now close this one, you come relogging another time, you come back to this page again. You can see that the last added time has already been updated. And if you want to access to this file, same thing, just click open. And here we go. So sometimes you want to run the same design parameters in the different scenarios. You want to save all the different scenarios in different files. Then you could choose to use save as. Basically, this is a save as function. The update is to update this particular file. But if you want to make, let's say, minor change, and you want, like, say we keep the same size but different grade, let's say go to 60. If you want to save this as a different file from the one you already have, then you just go to the save button again, and then make sure you use a different name. um, Railroad crossing tryout 2, let's say tryout a case 2 or something, case 2. Then you hit save, and then a different file will be saved in the database, which has a different file name as the one you had before. So if you come to the files again, you should be able to see there's a two different files, and they save at different time, basically with the parameters you have changed. So you come here, you can choose to have access to either of them. So in addition to save your files on a cloud database, you could potentially choose to download the file on your local drive as well. So um, it's just everything's the same. You go to this tool, you finish your design and calculations. Say keep it this to 10. And then coming down to the bottom, instead of using the cloud, save on a cloud function, you could potentially download it, use the download and open feature to operate everything on your hard drive, or you can share it with with others. So that we need to do is to download. For example, we can say um, API Llama 2, um, a local tryout, okay, and then we hit save. So this will save a JSON file to your local drive. And then once when you wanted to retrieve it, let's say we go back again, you have to go back to the same tool. Let's say this is the default page now. Everything's different. And then you come down here, you say you want to open the file you saved. You just choose open and choose a file. And then you choose the file you basically save on your local drive, as basically is a JSON file a format, and you choose for upload, and it will show you file loaded successfully. And then you close it again. You can see all your saved features already loaded to your page. So this is how you do the save and load for the local drive. So just to have a quick recap, you could access for all your saved file in the files link page, and also this is essentially the same for user profile page. And you could use here to open or delete any of the saved files. For example, we can choose to delete this one, and then that file is going to be gone. So for this one, if you want to reopen it, and it was going to open again. And just to recap all the main features we talk about here. So update is essentially update existing files, and save is basically save as a separate files, and open and download is for the local drive save and load. You could download to a local drive and open it from the local drive. And also there's a PDF report that has been a feature we have for our tool for a long time. So you could generate a PDF, um, a PDF report essentially for all for the calculations. You could save this PDF file and share it. So this is everything we want to go through today. And same thing. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us through help@pipebench.com, and hopefully um, this could be helpful for you guys to use our site. Again, thank you so much for your time, and see you guys next time.